Wow, look at that, eh? Beautiful color there today. Just missed a deer going across the road. Look at those trees. Wow. I have to keep adjusting for rain, putting my bag over it and the camera, and I learned that this camera shuts off if it gets wet, or too wet or too hot. And that is all we're getting today is wet. So I heard the horn blow. Let's see here now. So anyhow, this is Nancy. I am at the Power Dam Falls Road. I am looking forward to the train coming. It has been a cold, windy, rainy morning. Here's a leaf falling. And oh, here it comes. Good. I was going to follow them and decided not to, and now I just heard on the scanner that they are at least going to Nestoria, but I don't think I'm going to follow them. My husband was here and he was going to go with me, but we decided not to go, so he's left. So I got quite a bit of footage today. I sure wanted to get that Pashiki again since I lost it. I took it Tuesday, but it disappeared. See here. It is some amazing color today.
As far as southbound, our market range to Main at Lawn, North Station Soap.
Wonder why sometimes those lights are so big and blend into each other, and other times they don't. They're more of a star shape. God, is that beautiful? Those colors. It's raining again. So I don't want to take the chance to follow them.
Customer service CM 5410, the 539 at Lance, over. Lakeshore arriving Lance at 1010, picking up 25 cars of a L586 at 1100, sending out 2 cars to L792 at 1200, and the other 31 cars to L586 at 1215, and departing at 1245, over.
Alright, I copy. Thank you. Customer service out.
Whoa, I tightened everything up and one little notch to loosen it, and that really loosened it. Got my hat on my lens so it doesn't get wet. These leaves coming down, that isn't pretty. I don't know what is. If that doesn't say fall, I don't know what does. Stay on there, hat. Stay with me. To Summit, so I really do have to scoot. Look at those colors, wow. Okay, we are off and on our way to Summit. Don't be late, I'll meet you up there. Good grief, hurry up, train. There we go. Beautiful. Tama siding. Oh my gosh, the wind just came up. It is absolutely frigid. I love watching those leaves though. So I guess this is it. There's Celotex Road right there. Right in that little clump of trees is some wire. Oh, look at that rain. Alright, this is going to be it. Hey everyone, thanks for going on this journey with me today. It was windy, cold, and beautiful. All the better because you were with me. Thanks, this is Nancy in Summit. Hope to see you on YouTube and then again next Tuesday. Trackside. Bye for now.